In this video, we are going to discuss the various reasons for PST file corruption. We can categorize the causes of PST file corruption into two categories. Let's discuss first with hardware issue. These are some of the common hardware reasons that cause your PST file data inaccessible. Data storage device problem. If your PST file is stored in bad sectors of your hard disk, you may face PST file corruption. Power failure. If you are accessing PST files and a sudden power cut happens, this can also cause damage to the PST file. An issue in the network. When you have stored PST files over the network issues can corrupt PST files. Now let's discuss some common software issues which lead to PST corruption. Virus attack. Virus attacks damage whole system data, including the PST files. Incomplete file system recovery. While performing file recovery, sometimes PST file remains corrupted or overwritten, which makes other files corrupted. Oversized PST files. If your PST file is larger than 2 GB, your Outlook may freeze or crash, and thus PST file may get corrupt. To repair corrupted PST files, a manual way, an inbuilt utility scanpst.exe is available, but in most of the cases it doesn't work as it has its own limitations and drawbacks. In this situation, you need to use an advanced third-party PST file recovery tool, such as Stellar Repair for Outlook. Link is below in the description. Download and preview your recoverable mail items. Thanks for watching.